Hey you guys, before the video starts, I just wanted to take a second to let you know that the official merchandise shop for this channel is now up and running on Teespring. We've got 3 items for sale right now. The first is this awesome coffee cup. It's got a couple of thumbnails from the channel videos. It's also got the T logo there, rotated vertically. And I found this cool clip art of a guy playing PC as a stick man. So I put that on there. It reminds me of myself. Next we've got the TreemanTv logo t-shirt with the T logo and then the name of the channel right there. And finally we've got my favorite thing, which is the gaming hoodie. It's got the original logo that I designed as the background of the channel with the T logo also on the back. And then that same PC guy up there and a couple of PlayStation controllers. Also available in a few different colors, so check the link below. Get yourself one today.
Hey guys, it's Elijah from TreemanTV's second car vlog episode. Back here again, and basically just want to show you guys my new car.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right?
I went with a 2018 Subaru WRX in the pearl white. Those of you who watched the second car log video, you knew that I used to have a 2010 Infiniti G37 coupe. It's a 2010, like I said. It's a pretty dope car. A lot of people don't know this is the undercover 370Z Nismo. So obviously, as you can see here, this is a V6. It is a VQ37V HR. So I kind of just got rid of it, honestly, because I mean, rear-wheel drive was kind of fun for the almost 2 years I had the car, but I've always had a love for Subarus, and ultimately my goal was to get back into a Subaru. And so I contemplated doing a lot of different things, like keeping the Infiniti, getting a smaller loan, and getting like an older one like Tyus's, and building it. And then I really like this body style of the newer ones. And there's some untapped potential with them. There's a lot of stuff I want to do eventually in the future. But for the most part, that's it. You guys can check out Boxer engine. It's a FA20, I believe, DIT or something like that. Turbocharged 2-liter Boxer. Basically, BRZ motor with a turbo on it. If I remember correctly, it makes about 267 horsepower and about 270 torque, which isn't too bad.
Got the oil filter up top too.
And the oil filter is up top. That's something that a lot of the EJ guys will notice. That's very, very different. But it pulls pretty hard. It has a twin scroll turbo on it, and so it builds boost fast, and so that's what makes it so fun to drive. It's not like as fast as Tyus's car or a lot of other, built motors, but it's very torquey. It just gets up quick, so that's what makes it fun to drive every day. So let's go for a cruise.